Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is Chrissy, aka Chrissy, and today we're gonna get into these lashes and talking about what are my favorite lashes. Just a quick tutorial and showing you what I love to finish off my makeup look with. Finishing off an outfit, just that extra sassiness, that flirtiness on the eyes. It just ties everything in together. Mascara does it. I love mascara. Top mascara here. I already have a coat on my lashes of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna just jump right in this tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell there as well to be notified with all new content. Please make sure you hit the bell so that you can see all of the videos as they are coming out. Get into it with me. We're gonna just jump right into this. This is a quick tutorial again on these lashes, my favorite lashes. And if you guys have some, please let me know. I'm interested in trying out new ones, good quality ones. Spill the tea for me, okay? So today we're gonna go into first off the lashes that came in the BoxyCharm subscription. I can't remember which month this was, but these ones are more of a everyday wispy lash, like a sweet girl look, but you got a little flirt pizzazz with you. So these are the Battington lashes, and they're wispy lashes. You can find some, I'm pretty sure, at local hair stores, similar. I'm not gonna say they're exactly the same, other quality. But these right here, I've worn a few times already. I just think they're very pretty, wispy lashes to just kind of throw on as an everyday look and give a little bit of length past your normal eyelash length. So we're gonna try these babies on so you can see what I mean. We're gonna go into the lash glue here with Callus. The band on these is pretty durable, and after a few wears of lashes, normally after a few wears of lashes, they kind of bend to the shape of your eyes so that you don't have to do that wiggling motion or what I've seen people do, wrap them around a pen or the end of a brush. These kind of, to me, once you've worn them a few times, they go to the shape of your eye. My lash glue is on. Blow them just a little bit to get them tacky. Get them in a position that you can get them closest to the lash line to make them blend right within your own lashes. And press and push them in. And yeah, this is one on. I try to put a little bit more in the corners to make sure I don't have that stubborn lash that seems to lift up, having clearly a sense of mind of its own. Nothing that you wanted to do, but it happens. There is no one way to put on lashes, so please share your best practices with me, tips. And I'm not a pro, I'm gonna say, at putting on lashes. You like? Nice everyday wispy lash to just kind of just throw on. Hopefully it won't take you too long, a good smooth 5 minutes or so. If you're a pro and you can just pop them on in 1 minute, kudos to you. And now moving along to our second pair of lashes. You probably already know her for sure. And it seems like everybody has their little version of it where they just pop these babies in front of their Instagram tutorials and showing you these lashes. I love her. I follow her page. She's very inspirational, so pretty. Oh my god, Huda is so pretty. And she's so, I think, down to earth. Like, I love her little skits when she does her little funny little skits. And I just think She's super bomb, innovative. These are the Samantha number 7s. And these ones give me the individual lashes effect with like a C-curl type of lash hairs. They are not just all in one direction. They kind of overlap each other to give more of a volume. Let's pop these babies on. And I also like her band type. So the band on these are pretty durable, but I like that they are, it's not bulky, but it's very manageable. Like some of the lashes that you may see, and definitely pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen them, where it's like it's a little gap in between the hairs. And I feel like it just shows, even if you were looking in a downward motion, or downward position, and you're looking down and you see like it's just not as full. Like I personally don't like those type of lashes myself. I like to have the band that is just consistently running across my lash line, and it kind of gives you that look as well, like if you may want to, but it kind of gives that look as well of the wing liner, you know, maybe just lining your top line, not with the wing, because of the thickness of the band itself. Kind of gives you that extra little definition there to darken up your lash line. Now we're starting to get to the lashes to add the drama. I can tell a major difference in the band from going from the Battington lashes to the Huda Beauty lashes. Like it just hugs your eye a little bit better. With the lash, without. Major difference, major key to finish off your look. And these are all lashes that I've worn. Again, these are my top lashes. Lashes galore that I love. There's so many other lashes that are out there that I would love to try. So drop some in the comment section to let me know so I can go check some out if y'all have some already. Here are the Huda Beauty Bomb Lashes. That was my version. This is my second favorite. I'm going in order from favorite to absolutely love, hands down. So we're building up. This has been anticipation. We're building up to what is my favorite, ultimate favorite lash. Y'all ready? Okay, so the third lash that I've been kind of crushing on this lash. I finally went ahead and ordered it. Lily had a sale. She had a birthday sale actually, and she had the discount on the lashes, and I just thought it was perfect timing for me to go ahead and get these lashes, because I kept saying I was gonna get them. Every time I seen somebody with them, I was like, oh my god, her lashes look so good. Go to the description and it's these ones. So it was just meant to be for me to have these, and I'm hoping that I love them just as much on myself as I do on everybody else. They just full of drama. Like I just love these. And these ones I got in the bundle sale. Since she had her birthday sale, she had the actual these are the Mykonos 3D mink lashes. So these are full mink, which I love. They feel amazing. I feel like once you see my favorite ones, I feel like these clean very easily. I just literally just get the glue off of the band with some tweezers, at the end of the night. I try not to leave it on there, so when I go to wear them again, I don't have to worry about cleaning off or layering over top of glue that was already there. So maybe a little bit more time in your makeup cleaning routine, but well worth it when you go to put them on, and probably you're trying to be quick about it and getting them on. So these are brand new out of the pack. I have not worn these yet, so we are about to get into these lashes together to see if we love them more than my favorite lashes, or are they still a runner up to my favorite lashes. Let's see. Booming. Oh my God. Guys, come through Mykonos. I probably would trim them a little bit more the second time around, but these babies are full of drama, volume, extension. I think, I hate to say this. Well, I'm not gonna say I hate to say this, but I can confidently say in the lashes that I have tried thus far, Lily lashes have been my top ones. My opinion, if you want to argue about it, okay. But these have been her lashes. I've just loved them. And you can wear them so many times. If you take care of your lashes pretty well, you can wear them so many times. Take that extra moment in the cleaning time and just getting that glue off. Taking care of them, you can probably get, pretty sure, probably more, but maybe 20 to 25 wears, you know, of her lashes because of the quality. The quality is just so bomb. Okay, these are the Mykonos lashes. I'm getting hyped because I'm getting close to my favorite hair. But these are bomb. Oh my God, I'm so happy I finally got them. And now, without no more hesitation, I had to build you guys up. These are my ultimate favorite, all-time go-to lashes. I will pull this out of my lash stash in a second, no hesitation whatsoever. I got these as well with the lash glue, and I ran out of it. So that birthday sale with the lashes that came with the Mykonos was right on time, because I definitely needed more of her lash glue just to have a different option for my glue. And this is them up close. Hands down, my favorite lashes. I will wear these to the ground, okay? I just love them. I love them so much. Like, we go together. I love the drama that these lashes give. They are drama, they are life, they are me, okay? I feel like I should go by a different name with these lashes. Like, they just give me so much life. Like, call me Chrisette or something like that. Thank you guys for watching. This was just my quick favorite lashes that I wanted to share with you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. And please check out my other videos and leave me some comments. Tell me what you guys think, what you love. Only what you love. I'm just kidding. Tell me everything. Let's talk. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching with me. Chrissy out of here. And Miami. Bye.